Welcome to my YouTube and Facebook channel. In this video, we will discuss about a study conducted by Ukle Health, found that Kundalini Yoga, a form of yoga that emphasizes breath control, meditation, and visualization techniques, showed promise in benefiting elderly women who had risk factors for Alzheimer's disease and concerns about episodes of memory decline. Scientists from the Semel Institute for Neuroscience and Human Behavior at Ukle have utilized a specific form of MRI, which can monitor activity in various areas and sub-areas of the brain. Their research showed that Kundalini Yoga, which combines movement and meditation and focuses on breathing, mantra recitation, and mental visualization, increased connectivity in an area of the brain that can be impacted by stress and is associated with memory decline. The findings were recently published in the Journal of Alzheimer's Disease. Led by psychiatrist Dr. Helen Lavretsky, Ukle researchers studied the effects of yoga compared to the gold standard approach of memory enhancement training. MET on connectivity in subregions of the hippocampus, a critical area of the brain for learning and memory. MET is derived from techniques that use verbal and visual association and practical strategies to improve memory. Kundalini yoga training appears to better target stress-related hippocampal connectivity, whereas MET may better target sensory integration subregions of the hippocampus, supporting better memory reliability, said Lavretsky, director of the Late Life Mood, Stress, and Wellness Research Program. The key takeaway is that this study adds to the literature supporting the benefits of yoga for brain health, especially for women who have greater perceived stress and subjective memory impairment, she said. This gentle form of yoga, which focuses more on breathing and mental engagement than on movement, like other forms of yoga, is ideal for older adults who may have some physical limitations. The study included 22 participants who were part of a larger randomized controlled trial studying yoga's effects on Alzheimer's risk. The mean age among the 11 yoga participants was about 61. It was about 65 in the MET group. All had a self-reported decline in memory function during the previous year, and one or more cardiovascular risk factors, which can also increase the risk for Alzheimer's disease. These included plaque buildup in arteries, recent heart attack, diabetes, and treatment for high blood pressure or high cholesterol. Both the yoga and MET groups had a 60-minute in-person training session each week for 12 weeks. The programs also included daily homework or practice sessions. The Kundalini Yoga key training was supported with a home practice of another brief meditative form of yoga, Kirtan Kriya KK. These types of yoga engage a variety of senses simultaneously and have a chanting component that may improve respiratory, cardiovascular, and autonomic nervous system functions, according to previous studies. Lavretsky and her team have previously reported that Kundalini and Kirtan Kriya yoga had beneficial effects on depression, resilience, and executive functioning in older adults with mild cognitive impairment. They also found that yoga had a more robust neuroprotective effect on right hippocampal volume, which may suggest improved memory function, than MET in older women with subjective memory decline and cardiovascular risk factors. The new study used specialized functional MRI to establish resting state connectivity of the hippocampus. This imaging, considered more sensitive to cognitive changes than hippocampal volumes, enabled the researchers to evaluate subregions of the hippocampus, comparing the effects of yoga versus memory training. Based on their findings, the yoga training may better target hippocampal subregion connectivity impacted by stress, which may aid in processing information, including facial information, into memory, the author said. Additionally, thanks for watching. If you like video, please subscribe, give feedback in comments, and share with others. Keep watching my videos.